The most common asphalt that we use as a residential contractor is going to be a 1/2 inch asphalt with a B-oil. B-oil has a lot of flexibility. 1/2 inch rock is going to be a smaller rock. And then a lot of the driveway mixes will have just a slightly higher sand content, and all those things are for appearance. You can really make an excellent looking product using that combination of material. The majority of the contractors that are doing residential installs in the Twin Cities metro area are going to be using a residential driveway mix, and the majority of the suppliers have a mix that is some blend of those 3 items. Another type of asphalt mix that we use often will involve a 3/4 inch mix. Majority of the time it's a B-oil. It'll just be a slightly bigger rock. It'll be for more of a heavier duty applications, stuff that might see some semi-traffic, some delivery trucks. It's just built stronger for heavier loads. You don't need it in your driveways because how often do you have a 50,000 plus vehicle in your driveway? That being said, the driveway mix, I have seen dump trucks parked on driveways. Don't recommend it, but it works. But the 3/4 inch mixes are very common in more of like a commercial setting. If you go to your shopping malls, that's a lot of times what they're built out of. Outside of that, there's a lot of the times like streets and stuff, you'll see really some changes with the different types of oils that are used. The different types of oils, they have benefits, they have polymers in them to allow them to deal with heavier traffic loads and traffic cycles. The drawbacks in our experience is they're maybe not as forgiving when it comes to having to like polish edges and whatnot. They're not as conducive for handwork. So we've been required to use them in areas where we've wanted to really have a nice finished product. It just sometimes it's frustrating to work with them because when you primarily use the asphalt or the driveway mixes, you can really get a good finish. The other types of oils that are more for like city streets and stuff, they stick to your tools. It's really hard to make them look as good as we want. Those oils are designed for running down a machine that's going to do 2 miles of road tied into a curb, where if it's not a perfectly flush joint, it's not the end of the world. They're really more of a hands-off mixture, if that makes sense.